Boston Biomedical has multiple drug candidates. Our lead candidate is focused on gastric cancer, a tumor type of high unmet need, and we're hopefully going to be able to help those patients live longer and live better. At Boston Biomedical, as we look to launch our product in the cancer marketplace, we have a lot of challenges from a commercial perspective, certainly making sure that our patients have access to it, that the payers and plans understand the value that it brings for them, the benefit that it brings, and we also need to make sure that as we work with the healthcare professionals that we can help them better understand their patients who would most likely benefit from our therapies. So there really has been a change in the types of analytics and how we need to support those needs from the business side.
We leverage a lot of different analytics, as you might imagine, and a lot of different tools associated with that. So some of the analytics we're looking at is really unstructured and structured data, trying to identify patterns and identify opportunities to really be hyper-focused in terms of the customers that we're trying to get our message out to and educate them about our new products as they come to market. Unstructured data could be contracts, it could be social media, it could be things like a written document that we may have that we need to look through, so abstracts, clinical trials, clinical studies. So there's ways that we want to be able to search that data and do it try to make the unstructured data really structured so that we can find those patterns and find the intelligence and the insights that are going to give us a little bit of an edge when we go about launching the product.
At Boston Biomedical, we are really looking toward the one pass that Unifi has as a way to be able to pull both the structured and the semi-structured data together more rapidly to enable business insight and really be able to move at the speed of business. What Unifi represents to us, among other things, is speed. We need to be able to pull in the data, whether it is structured, semi-structured, or unstructured, quickly, and we need to be able to integrate it across so that we can help the business gain insight more quickly. In the old days, you would get a new data source, you would integrate it in over a period of weeks or a month, and then it would take another month to report out. These days, you can have a marketing campaign that starts and ends in 6 weeks, and they need to get updated information almost daily. So what Unifi is going to help us with is both being able to marry the data together as the business needs, regardless of its structure, as well as do it much more quickly so that we can meet the emerging needs of business, which has dramatically increased in speed.